To finance news, and the former Finance Minister Lindsay Tanner says trying to raise debt is a growing challenge for Australia's mid-sized companies. Minister Tanner says a weakness in the corporate bond market is a major constraint for companies with a market capitalisation of between $1 and $2 billion. He says big companies like BHP Billiton and Telstra can easily go offshore to borrow money.
At the moment, very low interest rates in international markets skew the balance in favour of placing your debt offshore if you're big enough and serious enough to be able to do that, even though, of course, there is currency risk involved. But the critical factor underneath all this is that if there's not much of a market domestically, particularly not much of a retail market either, well, then you do have a significant worry, and you're going to be up for pretty hefty investment bank fees to underwrite your issue. So there is quite a complicated problem with a number of different factors here.
Lindsay Tanner there. Let's go to the markets. And the Dow Jones has closed 64 points lower overnight. The Nasdaq ended 6 points down. The S&P 500 fell 8, and across in London, the FTSE shed 36 points. Checking commodity prices, West Texas crude is trading at $104 a barrel. Tapis crude's at $132 a barrel, and gold this morning's at $1,644 an ounce. The Australian dollar is buying $1.03 US cents, 78 euro cents, and 64 pence sterling.